Welcome back to the Praxis Test Prep channel. My name is Tasia, a former high school biology teacher, and today I'm going to walk you through some earth science problems from the Praxis 5005 exam. Okay, so which of the following is a primary cause of earthquakes? Plate tectonics, volcanic activity, weathering, or soil erosion? We're going to eliminate those bottom two because weathering does cause soil erosion and they're very similar, but neither of them cause earthquakes. So we're left with these two. The most likely of these, the primary cause, is plate tectonics. Yes, volcanic activity does cause earthquakes, but then it's not the primary cause. So when you're looking at these questions, make sure to clue in on that fact that it is not the primary cause of the earthquakes. Again, it's rare. Okay, so problem 2. The term ring of fire in earth science refers to which of the following? The region of Earth with the most frequent thunderstorms. And here's a clue here. Thunderstorms aren't fire, right? So we can kind of cross that off right away. The area with the highest concentration of active volcanoes and earthquakes. That does involve fire. C. The part of the Earth that receives the most sunlight. Or the location of the Earth's largest desert. Again, that's not fire. So the correct answer is the area with the highest concentration of active volcanoes and earthquakes. If we look, here is the actual ring of fire if they want you to identify where it's at. It's in the Pacific Ocean, by California, by Japan. In that whole area is the ring of fire where you have a lot of plate tectonic activity. Okay, problem 3. What causes the change in seasons on Earth? A, the Earth's distance from the sun changes. Yes, this is really minimally effective, though, of the Earth's climate, though, and seasons. B, we'll talk about that in a second. C, the moon's gravitational pull affects Earth's climate. This mainly affects the tides of the ocean. Or D, the rotation of the Earth around its own axis changes speed. So one rotation is 1 day when you look at that. So the answer is actually going to be B. The sun's rays hit the Earth at different angles at different times of the year. So let's look at this chart here. You can see when it's summer, the Earth is angled toward, that hemisphere is angled toward the sun. And when it's winter, it's angled away from the sun. And then spring is in between. Okay, let's look at problem number 4. Which of the following correctly describes how air pressure changes with altitude? So I drew you a little graph here, and we can see that altitude is on our y-axis and atmospheric pressure is on our x-axis. We can see that it is changing. So B is air pressure remains constant regardless of altitude. We can take that out of the right away. Let's look at C. Air pressure decreases as altitude decreases. That will actually give us a line similar to this, which we're not seeing. So we can eliminate that option as well. Okay, and then D, air pressure is highest at the top of a mountain. That would give us kind of a plateau about right there. So that also does not happen. So we are left with A, air pressure increases as altitude decreases, which is our correct answer. I hope this was helpful. If you're looking for more ways to study, check out our other videos and then head over to study.com to check out our Praxis test prep courses. As a study.com member, you'll get full access to hundreds of practice problems like the ones I just walked you through, as well as targeted instruction for topics that you're still struggling with. Plus, you'll get access to test-taking strategy to help you maximize your score on test day. Finally, we want to hear from you. Please like and subscribe to today's video if you thought it was helpful. And in the comments down below, please let us know if there's any topics that you would like us to cover next. Good luck and happy studying!